Okay. Hi guys, I am back with my G-Box fan. It's a 3-speed fan, has the shortest cord, and it comes out the bottom. It goes up there. It's only about 3-foot cord. I'm long at all. I'll show you the back of it. This one does not have the buzzing problem. It does not buzz at all, whatsoever. The in here does not buzz. It has the original handle. Everything's original. I created this fan. It has some stuff on it right here. And here is used for storage. And then they started running it. And then I was like, dang, I gotta trade something for that GE box fan. Because it doesn't buzz. I was hoping for a little bit of a startup sound, but it doesn't have one. But still, I have a GE box fan, which is nice. I traded a crappy Lasco for this fan. It was I think it might have been a 3733. And here we're going to run it. So here's how. There's a lot of air. There's blowing stuff over there. In my little tray. So here's medium. And low, which is really, really quiet. This is a great fan to have. I'll show you the back view of it running. This is low in the back. I'm going to crank it up to medium. And high. And there's a light hit low again, and then it went off. So that's my GE box fan. Thanks for watching.